Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. As you can see, we're in the great outdoors, so that means we're grilling. Today, we're going to be grilling pork steaks, some onions, and some portobello mushroom caps. Sounds good to me. Hope it sounds good to you. Get the grill fired up and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, we got the grill all warmed up here, so let's get our nice thick pork steaks on here to start cooking. So, got them. Throw this other one over here. Alright, so there's our pork steaks and our seasoning today. We're going to be using a little bit of the Roostertail barbecue seasoning. We're just going to put a little bit on it, because I really like this rooster tail. Too bad I can only buy it online, but it is what it is. So, alright, got our rooster tail on there. So now we're going to throw our portobello mushroom caps and our onion. We got some nice thick cut onion there. I'll throw that on there, get that all cooking. So, alright, ain't nothing to it yet to just let them cook. So we'll bring you back when we're a little further along. Alright y'all, it's been about 10 minutes, so let's give our steaks and stuff a check here. Oh yeah, getting some nice grill marks on them. Oh yeah, our onions are warming up nicely. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, everything's coming along really nicely. So let's let her put a little more rooster on this side. That rooster tail, I should say. Alright. So, alright. Let's close the lid and we'll let them cook a little longer. Alright y'all, these things are getting closer to being done. So yeah, I mean they're looking yumminess. So we'll let them cook a little bit longer and bring you all back. Alright y'all, everything's all done, cooked up, so let's get off to the kitchen and we'll do our taste test. So, yummy. Alright y'all, time for the taste test. We're going to start out with a piece of that pork. Y'all, that rooster tail barbecue seasoning, that is awesome. Look them up online. It's the only place you can get it, but it's well worth it. So let's get a little bit of onion here. You know we gotta try the mushroom. Grilled portabella mushroom, y'all. I don't know if there's anything better than that, y'all. So there you have it. Grilled pork steaks with portobello mushrooms and grilled onions. One of my favorites. Summertime. Let's get grilling. So please like, comment, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you think this is a good meal. So catch y'all next time, and as always, bon appetit.